In this video today, I'm going to show you the latest arbitrage system where you can make cool passive income. What we are going to do is we're going to borrow dollar at the bank rate of 410 and sell it to the black market rate and take out our profit. And you can make this passive income from 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 or even 20,000 or let me say 30,000. My name is Mr. Arbitrage. If you're new here, subscribe this channel and also turn on notification bell. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. The platform we're going to use is actually called Plead Finance, plead.ch. You can easily check it, link in the video description or in the first comment section. By the time you type it, it will take you to the main interface, or say the main dashboard, where you have to register with your email address and also create a password. All link will be in the video description, as you can see here. So with this Plead Finance, you can easily buy dollar at the bank rate and sell it to the market rate. And as you can see here, after you time of create a password, then a link will be sent into your email address in order to confirm it. As you can see here, I have received. All you need to do is just tap the link. So by the time you tap it, your account is going to be verified. All you need to do is tap on login. Your account is going to be logged successfully. So look at this, guys. This is the main dashboard. As you can see, the current price of USD at the market rate is 742.46 as 1 USD. As you can see here, and you can skip on tap on, or you can top up. So you have your account, USDT account, Euro account, and also GDP account. And there's more options like send, top, P2P, and convert. So besides that, there's one most important thing you need to do after you register on Plead Finance. That is to ban your authenticator. Okay, you can use Google Authenticator because it's the most popular one, but you can find anyone in Play Store and you just need to ban your Google Authenticator, maybe to protect your account from scammers. And anyway, this is my profile. I already turn on Google Authenticator. Let me see, I use Google Authenticator. I already turn on Authenticator, and I will show you how the message will look like. By the time you register, you will see a message and tap it to ban your Google Authenticator, as you can see here, and they will provide you to install either it's Google Authenticator on a Play Store or an App Store, and they will provide you a setup key where you have to input it and QRL where you have to scan it, and also to ban your account with setup key, okay, with Google Authenticator, and you can use it every time you have to withdraw. As you can see here, I have already banned it. I have already set up it and did this on my Google Authenticator. All I need to do right now is to input the password I get from Google Authenticator. Look at this carefully. Then as you can see, a Google Authenticator setup is successfully solved. So right now, as I see, I will tell you the details about USDT, URL, GDP, and other things. You have an account. For the first time is top up. You can either top up, and also you can send it to someone who is have a plot, and also you can convert it from USD to, what am I saying, like GDP and something like that. And also there is an account where you have to top up your account is USDT directly, and also there is a account where if you want someone to send account from Euro, I see. And also there's another account that is GDP, GBE, GPP, as you can see, British pounds. Okay, if you want somebody to send that, they will provide you a specific account where you have to do it. You will be having a specific account, and there's a lot of them. But what I want you to understand, to leave your currency as if you're in Nigeria, to leave it as a USDT, because it will be more sinful for you by the time, as you can see, I have a currently of 0.3 naira, and my account is USDT. I can change it to either British pound or Euro. All I need to do is tap on top up and have the two options, where bank transfer or card. But if you're from Nigeria, you must use card, okay, because we will not be able to transfer. But if you're from another country, you can use bank transfer. So at the time you tap on card, then you have to input your card details, as you can see here, and you have to input the amount. Let me see the amount, okay, because right now I'm going to use 20 USD for right now in this video. And as you can see here, read blah blah, you have to read the information if you want to read. I just click on next, just a guidelines, then tap on next. As you can see here, it will be at this page where you have to enter your details, payment, and I have checked currently right now the only card that is working is FCMB, Visa, or MasterCard. So I'm going to use Visa card for FCMB, and we are going to purchase dollar at the bank rate of 510 as for now for this application. And also it will be successfully. All you need to do is to have let me say FCMB or FCMB, Master, or Visa card, and by the next video I'll be showing you easily which card is working in the next video. But right now the only card is FCMB. I'm going to input my details and all about him, and as you can see here, I have finished input my details, and this is my balance right now. As you can see here, I have 20.23 USD. I have top of my account. All you need to do right now is to tap on 2P2. because we're gonna come back, we're gonna exchange it. Okay, we're gonna receive the amount of money. So right now, by tapping on 2PT, as you can see here, the current price is 735.05, as you can see here. Then input the amount, as you can see here, and you have to input your bank details. But let's go and do some calculation. As you can see here, 731 times 20, as you can see here, we are going to get 14,620, as you can see here, as per right now. As you can see here, so we're gonna input the amount there, 14,620. Then we have to input your bank details, account details. Let me see, account details. I mean, search for First Bank, okay, because that will be okay for me. You are just enter your bank account. As you can see, your bank, and tap on compound. You just need to have compound. Also enter the Google Authenticator password. Okay, you must read it, Google Authenticator password, and by the time you do it, that will be submitted successfully. And all you need to do to wait your money to be credited to your account, as you can see here. Then tap on done. You'll see your receipt. Let me see a receipt. As you can see here, this is the receipt. I have successfully finished. All I need to do is just wait for some hours. My everything has been finished, and we are going to do some calculation to see what we have earned, to see what we have gained. Okay, so for example, the current bank rate is 510 times 20. If we multiply it, we are going to get 10,200. That's what we have been debited by the first time. And for the black market rate is currently 731 times 20, which will give us 14,620. So we're going to subtract it to the 10,200. As you can see here, we gain 4,420 as a income, and this is a passive income. And if you have ATM, you can do it multiple times. You can do this. For example, when I times it times 2, I get 4,840. If I times it by times 5, I get 522,000. If I times it times 10, I get 210. And also if I times it times, let me see what I shall do, times 10, I get 44,200. This is a cool passive income you can make by arbitrage trading. As you can see here, if you times it times 20, you get almost 8,000. This cool, you can do that, and the money had been credited to my account successfully. Look at this carefully. So guys, all we come at the end of this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this content, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, as I see, I'll be showing you exactly, I will find more. I will go and check to see which ATM is actually working beside FCMB, Master or Visa card. I will put more info on it. Thank you so much.